Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. We're about to go outside and start up our Ariens snowblower and put it in basically half engine speed, not high, not low, but half, and see if we can clear two vehicles. All right, DIYers, we are outside. On the left-hand side is our Chevy Colorado. On the right-hand side is our 1999 Toyota Camry. I've got both vehicles positioned, and the gap or measurement in between the truck and Camry is exactly 4 feet. So we are going to come from the left side of the truck, if you're looking at it from this view, with our Ariens snowblower. And our Ariens model number is Deluxe 28 Show. It stands for super high output. And what we're going to do is run that snowblower on the left side of the truck again, if you're standing right here where that snow is in between the truck and the garage. And we're going to see if the 28 super high output Deluxe can actually launch the snow over both vehicles. And we're running out of daylight, so let's get right to it. All right, as you just saw, I think it kind of made it. And I did the measurement from the open area that was gathering all the snow in the auger portion and blowing it out the chute. I measured from that point all the way over to the other side of the Camry, and it was exactly 20 feet. And yeah, some got on the car. I think most of it got on the car during the second pass. However, there's the snow. I give it 2 thumbs up. In my opinion, it cleared both vehicles 20 feet. And this is, again, our 28 Deluxe Show. Super high output. And you can't see it now, but how funny is that? Watch this. Check that out. Super high output. It's got a light on it. And it's got a toggle switch that I installed. I've got a DIY video on how to install heated grips. Those are kind of a must. And I've got a playlist link scrolling above right now. I will also put this down below in the comment section as well as the description section. Several DIY helpful videos, tutorials, and more on this awesome Ariens snowblower. Really the only snowblower brand you should buy, in conjunction with Gravely mowers. When it comes time for summer mowing, go Gravely. Do us a favor below the video. You'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. In addition, down below in the comment section, as well as the description section, is a link to a video on how to install this exact Old Glory flagpole. Comes in a couple different sizes. It's awesome. Thanks again for watching. All right, DIYers, it is now the next day, and unfortunately we ran out of driveway to snow blow, so we took it off road and into the yard. And any guesses on what that is? Let's take a closer look.